आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have to evaluate as limit n tends to infinity. We have to evaluate the sum of this series. So let's do that. So we have with us limit n tends to infinity and we have with us this series where we have 1 by n square secant square 1 by n. Now I am writing it like this. See, 1 over n square can be written as 1 over n whole square plus 2 by n square secant square 2 by n whole square. 4 can be changed into 2 and 2 square it can be written as 2 square, and it goes on and on. So 1 by n can be written as n by n square. So I am trying to journalize this, make the each term of the series look the same. Secant square, this can be written as n by n. So this. So now I will try to do some manipulations, try to do something so that I can change it into this form. Fx dx. So for this I need 1 by n outside, and for if I take out 1 by n common from each, what will happen inside? So here one power will go, 1 by n will be left, it can be taken common. So now it will look like this. Now if you look at each term of the series, it can be expressed as r by n secant square r by n whole square. So now observe, if I take r1 I get the first term, r if I take 2 I get the second term, if r is 3 so on, and if r is n I'll get the nth term. So this series can be represented like this. We need to put sigma to get show that the sum, it is the sum of this series where r is equal to 1 till n, and the limit is n tends to infinity. Now after we will do some manipulations and we'll be able to convert it into this form. Then we can put r by n is equal to x. So notice, when r is equal to 1 x becomes 0, when r is equal to n x becomes 1. So we get the limit we can now change it into integral form from 0 to 1, and we have x secant square x square dx. Time for another substitution in order to solve this. For this we are going to now put x square is equal to t, our regular integration business, and when we differentiate both sides we get 2x dx is equal to dt. Now x dx will be equal to half dt. So this can be put over here, half I am going to take out, and from 0 to 1 x dx is dt and secant square t dt. Now see, this integration of secant square t is tangent t 0 to 1. Now let me put back the value of whatever t was. It is tangent r by, sorry, it is tangent x square, and we have 0 to 1. So this becomes half tangent 1 minus tangent 0. So the answer will be half tangent 1. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।